as long as we as individuals are at odds with our family members, at odds with our neighbors, at odds with our local community, and by extension, the entire Ummah, divisiveness has always, that literally killed us as an Ummah from the very beginning and until this time. If you look at the spread of Islam during the time of Sayyidina Umar and during the time of Sayyidina Uthman bin Affan, it's very different than the spread of Islam during the time of Sayyidina Ali bin Abi Talib, where now they have so many different issues from within. In other words, every time in Islamic history where there was that internal fighting, it prevented the spread of Islam outside. And so the bonds are important here. And this incredible bond that took place between the Muhajirin and the Ansar. And then the Ansar and the Khazraj themselves, the Aus and the Khazraj themselves who make up the Ansar, is that them coming together. And then them coming together with the Muhajirin. This is what allowed Islam to then spread out in a way that, as our teacher Shaykh Abdul Hakim says, is that makes academics scratch their head until this day. How did this happen? That in such that short period of time, is that they were able to take on the two superpowers of the world during that time and win on two fronts, and then to spread so quickly, such that within roughly 100 years, they're in Southern Europe and on the verge of entering, if not into China. This is incredible. And this was prophesied by the best of creation, sallallahu alaihi wasallam.